Number 6. Underestimating your product or administration. Many startup owners struggle with this. If you're good, then charge like it. If you have the best products, tell the world. Try not to cost too high. However, don't cost extremely low just so you can acquire a portion of the overall market. Several business ideas start with good plans, but they begin to give freebies or do free things for a noble cause, local area, or visibility somewhere along the line. Be careful with this so that you don't end up becoming the community Santa Claus. Ring the sales register first. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe and check in the description my best recommendation when it comes to setting your mindset for success. Number 7. Expanding too soon. Usually, when you begin to see a positive result in your business, the next thing may be that development will proceed. Ironically, expanding your business too early could have some really horrible effects. Expanding can be very expensive, so it's proper that you have a significant amount of profit to fund your expansion and run your business. Don't be like entrepreneurs that expand their business and end up so broke they can't even pay their staff. You have to avoid expanding at the wrong time and instead adopt a gradual strategy for development that allows you to ease into it rather than jumping into it. Number 8. Don't overpromise or underdeliver. Try not to overstretch yourself chasing after profit. It's better to be honest with your potential clients rather than promising them and not being able to deliver. This will not only save you from failing to meet up because of expanded responsibility, but it will also make you and your business outstanding. So do what you can at every point in time and don't bite more than you can chew. Number 9. Not focusing on online marketing. This is one of the errors you ought to stay away from. No matter what kind of business you run, the internet is one of the best places to get customers. This is why online marketing is super important, especially for new businesses. Make use of the various social media platforms to showcase your business and remember to be consistent with it. A large number of organizations get excited about their new site or Facebook page, but 2 months after, they've forgotten to update it. The solution is just focusing on a drawn-out content plan so that you'd have enough content for a week or even a month. Embrace social media as part of your business always and set aside 10 or 20 minutes to work on it daily. Update your page routinely. Change out your cover photograph and profile picture quarterly and connect with your clients every day. When your page goes dead, it's hard to get it back up. Number 10. No lead generation strategy. What happens if by tomorrow Facebook is gone or Twitter is no more? Truly, you need to have a plan for a place that doesn't rely on Facebook or Twitter. Send your fans to your blog or opt-in pages to get your newsletter and updates. This gives an approach to get in touch with them outside of Facebook or Twitter, and that could pay you long term.